Which of the following is the assumption of absolute advantage theory of international trade? Answer D. All of the above. The reciprocal demand curve is also known as answer A. Offer curve. The factor price equalization theorem is given by answer B. Samuelson. Which among the following is not a measure to correct the balance of payment disequilibrium? Answer D. None of the above. According to Rybczynski theorem, commodity prices should by answer C. Constant. According to Rybczynski theorem, commodity prices should by answer C. Constant. The shape of the production possibility curve under constant opportunity cost is answer C. Straight line. Which of the following is not a method for redeeming public debt? Answer B. Grants in aid. The displacement effect hypothesis was formulated by answer D. Peacock and Weisman. The non-exclusion principle is related to answer C. Public goods. A monopolist will have the equilibrium output of his product where the elasticity of his average revenue curve is answer A. Equal to unity. Inflation is unjust and deflation is an expedient of the two. Perhaps deflation is the worst. The above statement was given by answer C. J. M. Keynes, who proposed the zero-based budgeting for the first time. Answer B. Peter P. Cohn and Plain classified public expenditure on the basis of answer B. Benefit. Cumulative frequency curve may be used to find the value of answer A. Median. The slope of the LM curve depends upon which of the following? Answer A. Interest elasticity of demand for money. In the long run, the autonomous consumption will be answer A. 0. Wagner's hypothesis is related to answer D. Public expenditure. Chamberlain's monopolistic competition is an exercise in answer C. Economic statistics. When the total utility increases by the consumption of a commodity, it is called answer A. Positive marginal utility. Which law assumes other thing remaining constant? Answer B. Demand theory. Number of types of elasticity demand is answer B. 3. The concept of functional finance was first started by answer B. A. P. Lanna. The concept of consumer surplus was first formulated by answer D. Dupuit. Who had written the book The Wealth of Nations? Answer D. Adam Smith. Which of the following is not the merits of direct tax? Answer D. Unpopular. Inflation is always as everywhere. A monetary phenomenon is started by answer A. Milton Friedman. The transaction demand for money is also interest elastic like speculative demand for money pointed out by answer C. Baumol, who developed the concept of multiplier first, answer C. F. A. Kahan. After Keynes, macroeconomics came to be known as answer D. Employment and income analysis. According to Dash, marginal utility is actually measurable in terms of money. Answer B. Marshall. Chamberlain's monopolist competition is an exercise in answer C. Economics statistics. The total consumption divided by the total income is known as answer A. Average propensity to consume, which utility means that an individual can attach a specific value or number of units from consuming each quantity of a good or basket of goods. Answer C. Cardinal. Which one refers to the covering of a foreign exchange risk? Answer B. Hedging. The first theorem of welfare economics states that answer A. A competitive equilibrium is Pareto efficient. Asymmetric information result into answer D. Adverse selection by consumer. Which of the following ratios best describe the GNP deflator? Answer A. Nominal GNP to real GNP. According to monetarism, the demand for money depends upon answer D. Rate of returns on all assets. Exchange rate that is determined by unregulated force of supply and demand are answer B. Floating exchange rate. The concept of consumers' welfare is answer A. Subjective. Which of the following is not a feature of an underdeveloped money market? Answer C. Uniform rate of interest. According to W. A. Lewis, what is quasi-bottleneck? Answer D. Skilled labor. The backward bend is the shape of supply curve of labor is caused by answer D. Attitude of individual towards work and leisure. Moral hazards are also a result of answer C. Asymmetric information. The investment demand curve shows the relationship between the following two variables. Answer D. Investment and demand for goods. Logit and probit models are used to analyze data that are answer A. Binary. Mercantilism was based on the ideology of answer B. Economic nationalism. The counterpart of benefit externalities is answer D. External cost. If the firm has both monopolist power in the product market and monopolist power in the output market, then the factor is paid a price dash answer B less than its marginal revenue product MRP.